In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in CapCut PC. If you've ever needed to turn a widescreen clip into a vertical short or make a square video for a social post, this quick workflow will help you get it done cleanly and fast without confusion. Start by opening your project in CapCut on your computer and making sure your clip is on the timeline. Look just underneath the main video preview player. You'll see a button labeled Ratio. Click that, and a drop-down will appear with the standard video sizes. These are preset aspect ratios designed for common platforms, so you don't have to guess what dimensions to use. Now, choose the size you need. For a standard YouTube video, pick 16.9. If you're creating a vertical video for Shorts or TikTok, select 9:16. If you're planning a square post, you can choose 1.1. As soon as you click a preset, you'll see the canvas shape change instantly in the preview. This is simply adjusting the frame your video sits inside, so you can switch back and forth at any time until it matches your destination platform. When you switch sizes, you might notice black bars on the sides or top and bottom. That just means your original footage doesn't naturally fit the new shape. To make it fill perfectly, click your clip on the timeline to select it. Then look to the top right Properties panel, find the scale slider, and slowly turn it up until your video completely fills the new screen frame. Go gradually to avoid overscaling. As you scale, keep an eye on the edges of your frame so you don't crop out anything important. A small adjustment is often all it takes to remove those bars while keeping your subject centered and visible. A quick note on quality. Scaling up enlarges the image, so if your footage is lower resolution, try not to push the scale further than needed. Starting with higher resolution clips gives you more room to adjust without losing clarity. Once everything fills the frame and looks balanced, you're done. Your canvas now matches the platform you're posting to, and your video will display correctly without awkward borders. That's all it takes. Set the ratio under the preview. Pick the preset that fits your use case, and if needed, increase scale in the Properties panel to remove black bars. Perfect framing for any social platform. You're all set, done.